following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A purple dinosaur has been spotted running around the streets, killing people. All residents of the United States, lock your doors and windows immediately and seek shelter right now. Because if you don't, you'll putting your life in extreme danger. Make sure you also use tape or damp towels. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A child has been abducted by that purple dinosaur. The purple dinosaur's name is believed to be Barney. If you see Barney, do not interact with Barney, or else you will face certain death. The child's name is believed to be Sophie Watson, age 10, born July 6, 2009. 4 feet 6 inches tall, with light brown hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a teal shirt with a unicorn on it, light blue jean shorts, white socks, and pink and purple sneakers. She was last seen abducted by that purple dinosaur. If you see the child or the purple dinosaur, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A new Evil Barney species has been formed. It is named sharp-clawed Evil Barney. If you see sharp-clawed Evil Barney, run away as fast as you can and seek immediate shelter. The number of sharp-clawed Evil Barneys right now are 33. There will be more coming soon. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. National alert! National alert! National alert! The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A new Evil Barney species has been formed. It is called Godzilla Barney. If you see Godzilla Barney, run away as fast as you can and seek immediate shelter. All residents of the United States must seek an underground shelter immediately. Lock all windows and doors. And use tape or damp towels. The child, Sophie Watson, was found safe in an abandoned church. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Global alert! Global alert! Global alert! The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. The Barneyers have taken over the rest of the world. They've taken over all 196 countries of the planet. All residents of the world will seek an underground shelter immediately.